Williams here, president of Turnkey Parlor Ice Cream Equipment Superstore. We buy and sell machines. Today we're going to do what's called a frost test on a Taylor 8756. We're just going to make sure that the cylinders both freeze and the compressors come on so that the cylinders freeze and they build up some frost, which should only take a few minutes on a machine that's working properly. So we're going to basically go here. Okay, this is a 2009 8756 three-phase air, serial number K9087399. And we're just going to put the front door on it. Okay. That basically will get the machine to start. Actually, this machine will start anyway because it's a 2009. After 2010, the machines have magnets inside the doors that tell it, allow it to either turn on or off, or not turn on, basically. It's a protective measure. But the 2009 and younger, 2009 and older, they didn't have the magnets in the doors. You can check rotation if you have a three-phase machine pretty easily. You just plug it in and you hit clean, and you can check rotation to make sure that the beaters are rotating clockwise. You can basically take a look at the beater shafts in the back, hit clean on both sides, and determine if the rotation is right, which is clockwise. If it's not, you got to change a wire on each plug, or on the plug that's rotating the wrong way, and then you'll get the right rotation. You always want to check that first. But right now we're going to see if it builds frost, the compressors come on and it builds frost fairly quick, okay? I think you can see that there. Okay, we're gonna hit the right side. And we hear the compressor come on, which is always a good sign. We're gonna hit left side. We hear the compressor come on the left side too. This is a big machine with two plugs, two big compressors that each independently run each side of the machine. So we're gonna give it maybe 2 minutes, and just to make sure that we're going to see some cold, frost in there and cold air, okay? The ambient temperature in this warehouse is about, I'd say 78 to 80 right now. I've got a digital thermometer right here that's showing 80 degrees. So not super hot, not cold, but a good average temperature. So again, we took the beaters out, so there's no beaters rotating in there. And all it's doing is we're going to take a look and see. I think we're probably at about 120 seconds now, 2 minutes maybe. I have no idea. But we can hit stop and see what we're dealing with. Okay? So you see the cold air coming out. You see that those cylinders are definitely frosted up. So that was very quick, meaning that this machine is in good working condition. And we will mix test it before we ship it anyway. And that's it.